Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add an image layer in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find a lot of sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here, as you can see guys in the center of the screen, you're gonna find new project, open from computer, templates, and here you're gonna find install Photopea if you want to install the application. So right now, I'm gonna click on new project. Then once you're here in this window, you're going to find the option to change or to choose the name for the project. Here you can choose the width of your photo. You can choose the height, DPI, and right here you can choose the background. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a site for or a size for the photo you want to add. So here you're gonna find a lot of options. You can choose from social, print, photo, screen, mobile, ads, or right here. So I'm gonna click on screen, and then for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Right here, you're gonna find some templates if you want to use a template. So right now, I'm gonna click on create, and as you can see, guys, now the project is created. As you can see guys here on the right, you're gonna find all of your layers. Right now we only have one layer, is the background. You can show it or hide it from here. So right now I'm gonna add an image layer. In order to do that, click on file, then click on open, and then choose an image from your computer. For example, I'm gonna choose this image, double click on it, and then it will be directly added. And as you can see guys, here it is. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.